Welcome to Superlift Garage Door Openers. In this video, we'll guide you through the setup and operation of your Superlift Wi-Fi Controller for the RDO-5 and RDO-6 Garage Door Openers. We'll cover how to install the Wi-Fi controller, download the app, the importance of a 2.4G Wi-Fi network, pair the device, and set up sharing. For the RDO-5 Garage Door Opener, remove the USB cover and plug the Wi-Fi controller into the USB slot. You're now ready to install the app. For the RDO-6 Garage Door Opener, locate the USB slot on the back of the motor and plug in the Wi-Fi controller. You are now ready to install the app. To find the correct app, scan the QR code provided in the manual. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Once downloaded, open the app. Allow the app the required permissions and follow the steps. If you haven't already, register an account. Enter your email, and once you've ticked the checkbox, press Send Code. Check your email for the code. If you don't see the code in your inbox, be sure to check your junk or spam folder. It often ends up there. Enter the 6-digit code into the app. You'll now be prompted to set your password. Enter a password of your choice and log in. Your account has now been set up and you can log in. Where it says Enter Account Number, use your email address. You've now successfully logged into the app. The Wi-Fi controller operates only on a 2.4G Wi-Fi network. Before proceeding, ensure that your smartphone is connected to a 2.4G network. Many modern routers broadcast both 2.4G and 5G networks. If you don't see a 2.4G option, you'll need to contact your internet provider to split your network into separate bands. Once you're connected to a 2.4G network, you're ready for the next step. To add your door, click the plus button on the top right corner of the app. Select the device you wish to add. Choose Garage Door for the RDO-5 or Roller Door for the RDO-6. Customize the name of your door if you wish and press Confirm. Select USB Wi-Fi module, review the instructions, and when ready, press Search for Device. The app will automatically search for the device. Connect to your 2.4G Wi-Fi network and enter the Wi-Fi network password. The device is now connected and you can open and close your garage door. To operate the door, from the app home screen, press your garage door. To open the door, press the up button. The app tells you what percentage the door is open. To close, press the down button. You can pause the door at any time if needed, and the app will tell you what percentage the door is open. To continue closing the door, press the down button again. You can share access to your garage door with family or friends so they can control it from their own app. First, ensure they have downloaded the correct app and created their own login. Press and hold the door you want to share, then select Share. Enter the person's email they used to create their login, then press Share Now. The recipient can now open the app, press and hold the image above Hi, and navigate to Received Devices. Once they accept the shared device, it will appear on their home screen and they'll be able to open and close the garage door. For more information on this and other Superlift products, check your manual or visit our website.